Diabetes doesn't just raise blood sugar, it affects nearly every system in the body. Nerve pain, vision loss, kidney complications, slow wound healing, heart disease, constant fatigue, and inflammation are all connected to unstable blood sugar. The problem starts at the cellular level where excess glucose damages blood vessels, disrupts nerve signals, and overloads your organs. But the good news is that the right foods, when eaten consistently, can help reverse this damage and protect your body. Today, we'll uncover the top 3 foods every diabetic must eat. These are not trendy superfoods or expensive supplements, but everyday foods backed by science to stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and protect your nerves, kidneys, heart, and eyes. Stick around until the end because I'll also share practical ways to add these foods into your meals, portion sizes that actually work, and powerful recipe ideas you can start using immediately. Greek yogurt. The first powerhouse food is Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, which can be loaded with sugar, Greek yogurt is strained to remove excess lactose, making it much lower in carbohydrates and higher in protein. Its glycemic index is only around 11, which means it barely impacts blood sugar levels for diabetics. This is a game changer. Greek yogurt stabilizes blood sugar because its protein slows digestion, preventing rapid spikes in glucose. It also makes you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and unnecessary snacking. Beyond blood sugar, Greek yogurt is loaded with key nutrients like calcium for bone strength and nerve signaling, potassium to regulate blood pressure, magnesium to improve insulin function, and vitamin B12 to protect against nerve damage and fatigue. Since many diabetics on metformin are prone to B12 deficiency, adding Greek yogurt can help restore balance. Another major benefit is its probiotics, live in active cultures that improve gut health. Research shows that a healthy gut microbiome improves insulin sensitivity and lowers inflammation, 2 of the biggest challenges in diabetes management. When you combine Greek yogurt with fiber-rich fruits like berries, healthy fats like nuts, and blood sugar-friendly spices like cinnamon, you create a meal that works in your favor instead of against you. The best choice is plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Flavored yogurts often contain added sugars that cancel out the benefits. A good portion size is around 150 to 170 grams per serving. You can enjoy it as a breakfast parfait with berries and flax seeds, as a savory dip mixed with garlic and olive oil, or even as a substitute for sour cream in recipes. With these small swaps, Greek yogurt becomes one of the most versatile and effective foods for diabetics. Canned tuna. The second essential food is canned tuna, one of the most convenient and budget-friendly proteins available. With 0 carbohydrates, it has a glycemic index of 0, meaning it doesn't raise blood sugar at all. What it does provide is high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which are crucial for diabetics. Protein from tuna helps maintain lean muscle mass, slows digestion, and keeps blood sugar steady. Omega-3 reduce insulin resistance, fight inflammation, and improve blood vessel health. This is vital because diabetes increases the risk of heart disease, strokes, and circulation problems. Tuna is also rich in vitamin D, which supports immune function and glucose regulation, as well as selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress. For nerve health, tuna delivers vitamin B12 and both of which protect against neuropathy symptoms like tingling, numbness, and pain. For kidney health, it provides protein without overloading the kidneys, unlike processed meats. And for heart health, it lowers triglycerides, raises HDL cholesterol, and supports healthy blood pressure. The best choice is light canned tuna, packed in water, as it has lower mercury levels compared to albacore. A portion size of 85113 grams is perfect. You can make a quick tuna salad by mixing tuna with Greek yogurt, celery, and lemon juice. Or try tuna lettuce wraps with avocado for a low-carb, high-protein meal. Tuna can also be sautéed with vegetables for a warm, nutrient-rich stir-fry. Affordable, versatile, and nutrient-packed. Canned tuna is one of the smartest choices for diabetics. Quinoa, the third must-eat food, is quinoa, a seed often mistaken for a grain. Unlike refined carbs, such as white rice or pasta, quinoa has a moderate glycemic index of around 53 and comes with protein and fiber that slow glucose absorption. This makes it one of the best carbohydrate choices for stable blood sugar. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides about 8 grams of protein, add 5 grams of fiber, making it far more blood sugar friendly than refined carbs. It's also loaded with magnesium, a mineral critical for insulin sensitivity and nerve health, as well as potassium to regulate blood pressure, iron for energy, and B vitamins for nerve protection. Quinoa is also rich in antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which fight inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting your blood vessels and pancreatic beta cells. Regular quinoa consumption has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, lower fasting blood sugar, and reduced A1C levels. It's also a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it especially valuable for vegetarians and vegans. For diabetics, quinoa supports heart health by lowering cholesterol, nerve health by reducing inflammation, and kidney health by being low in sodium and phosphorus. A good serving size is about 1/2 cup cooked quinoa per meal. You can enjoy it in a vegetable stir-fry with olive oil and garlic, as part of a quinoa and black bean salad with avocado and lime, or as a warm breakfast porridge with chia seeds and cinnamon. Rinsing quinoa before cooking removes its natural coating and improves flavor, while cooking it in broth instead of water boosts its nutrient value. Conclusion: Greek yogurt, canned tuna, and quinoa may sound like simple foods, but together they form a powerful trio for diabetics. Greek yogurt provides probiotics, protein, and key vitamins for gut and nerve health. Canned tuna delivers zero-carb protein, omega-3s, and antioxidants to protect the heart and nerves. Quinoa supplies smart carbs, complete protein, and antioxidants that stabilize blood sugar and protect against complications. By adding these foods consistently to your meals, you can protect your heart, kidneys, eyes, and nerves, while reducing inflammation and stabilizing your blood sugar. It doesn't require expensive diets or exotic supplements. It's just smart choices with foods you can find in any grocery store. Start small. Swap your sugary breakfast for Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. Replace a sandwich with tuna lettuce. Wraps for lunch. Try quinoa instead of white rice at dinner. These simple shifts, repeated daily, can make a huge difference in how you feel and how you manage your diabetes long-term. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments which of these 3 foods you'll be adding first. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical diabetes-friendly tips.